with Gannon Tax and Bookkeeping. I started doing bookkeeping and taxes back in 2011. We're doing bookkeeping and payroll and started in a tax office. So I love what I do. I have a lot of experience in it, and doing taxes now is my passion. On my time off, let me share my screen with you. How do I do? There we go. Not quite there yet. Sorry, guys. There we go. On my time off, I enjoy traveling with my family. So this is me and my mom in Costa Rica. My grandma and I also in Costa Rica. And I love spending time with my puppy. This is my puppy, Lilu, and my boyfriend. So that's me on my time off. So today I just want to walk you guys through what it's like for a new client onboarding with me. I do everything remotely, so that means everything's done online. I do all meetings via Zoom or telephone, and all documents are shared through my secure client portal. So on my website, new clients can log into their portal right through my website here. I've gone in and logged in as a client for you already so that I can show you. So when you become a new client, first I send off an invite. So everybody gets an invite. They can set up their account through TaxDome, which is the secure portal I use. This is what it looks like for the client. They can receive messages from me. So you can see here, I've asked myself to send me some documents here. I can set up a list for my clients of missing documents. I can send them the invoice, and you're able to e-sign through the portal. This can also be done on your phone. So if they have a smartphone or a tablet, if you can see, you can, oh, no, can't really see because it's blurring you out, but you can do it on your phone as well. It looks very similar. You could take photos of documents and upload them directly to me here. So I've gone ahead and set myself up here. Initially, there will be a contract to sign. So you'll get an email, also a notification on your phone if you need to, if you have the app set up rather. And so basically this just goes over my services. You can sign your agreement here quite easily. Just put your name in. They'll also receive a questionnaire each year, which is customized to each tax year. So this goes along with the different tax laws that come up each year, which as of late has been a lot of changes every year. So it kind of just walks through their information so that we don't miss any deductions or income items, or any changes that happened in the last year since their last tax return was filed. So it kind of goes over incomes, any credits you might be, that might apply to the client. There's been a lot lately. Any business related items, health insurance, if they make estimated tax payments, go over the bank and financial information for direct deposit and things like that. And then this is specific to 2020, 2021 coronavirus pandemic items, and then some miscellaneous items. So every client will get this questionnaire each year, and they can go through on their phone, tablet, or computer, and answer this, submit it to me. I get notified every time the document is signed or completed. And let's see, so once these are completed, then the client will receive another email just saying, thank you for completing your questionnaire and engagement letter. And then it goes over different ways for them to upload documents to me. And as I mentioned, you can upload documents through the TaxDome portal here. So you can go in and say, okay, I need to send Naya this 1099, whatever she asked me for. You can click right here, upload documents. You can also do it, I wasn't aware of the blur thing, but you can also do it on your phone. You can take a picture and upload it directly to me through your phone. There's also a nice little messaging app. This is all secure. So if you need to send me a social security number, date of birth, or if you have questions that you don't just want floating around on the internet through your email, you can send them right through here. And again, this can be done through the app. So if a lot of people like text messaging now, they can just text me through the app securely through the client portal. Yeah, so once we get all this stuff done, once they've done the engagement letter, the questionnaire, and uploaded their documents, I go through all the documents and usually come back with a list of items that are still outstanding. So typically I'll send a message here that just says, you know, hey, this is what I'm missing. Here's a list of items that I need. The client can go through and check them off one by one. Again, this can also be done on their phone. So it's really nice. I've had a lot of good feedback on this from my clients. They find it really easy to use and convenient with the phone option, the phone app option. And so let's see, we've gone through, they've uploaded everything to me. Then after the return is complete, then we'll get a notification, the client will get a notification that their return has been uploaded. I send them a link, sends them directly to the tax return itself. I went ahead and uploaded a sample here for you guys to see. So their return will come through. They can review everything before signing. They can also go through, let's see if I don't know if I sent the, oh, did I? Yeah, so I send the invoice as well. So review the return, they can pay the invoice through TaxDome. Again, this can all be done on the app as well. So you can pay the invoice, and then once the invoice is paid, they've reviewed the return. We can then have a discussion about the return if they like. We can go over anything that needs to be changed or modified before we file. Then I'll send them a notification. I didn't do it here for myself, but you can get a notification saying your document's ready to sign. Go in through the app or the website and sign the return, get you e-filed, and we're done. So I hope this gives you guys a better insight on how I work with the clients remotely. I know for some people it's a little scary. They get, you know, they're so used to coming in and throwing all their documents at their tax preparer and saying, here, figure it out. But they can do the same thing. They just have to take pictures of them or scan them to me. So I think that's it for the process. I know I went over it really quickly, so I have about a minute left if anybody has any questions.
Naya, how many clients do you typically handle each tax season?
Well, it depends. So I'm hoping to double again this year, but right now I'm at about a little over 150, I believe.
Wow.
Yeah, and so I don't get all of them during tax season. A lot of people go on extension. So don't be afraid of extensions, people. They're great. Just pay your money and give us more time to file your return. We love them. I file one for myself every year. Any other questions? We got about 10 seconds left.